How to charge the battery. When the battery is off, press the power button for 1 second to see the battery indicator. If the battery is not full, you can charge it before a flight. You can charge the battery in 2 ways. First, you can charge it through the aircraft. Insert the battery into the aircraft's compartment and make sure it is fully in. Connect the USB-C charging cable to the port at the back of the aircraft and connect the other end to the power supply. Second, you can use the multi-charger to charge 1 or more batteries at once. First, mount the battery or batteries on the multi-charger. Then connect the USB-C cable to the port in the charger's side. Connect the other end to a power supply. When the battery is charging, the indicator will flash. When the battery is fully charged, the indicator light will turn off. Thank you for watching.